It's July 5th, 2020. You can still hear the fireworks going off. And here's the plants. They're doing beautifully. Look at this amazing purple cabbage, or cauliflower, excuse me. And in the unicorn area, we have the carrots, the peppers, and the beets coming in. We've had delicious broccoli that's flowering now. The birds and bees are loving the water feature. I see them in here a lot of times. Got some flowers growing. Paul helped me stake the tomatoes, and also this line of potatoes is doing beautifully. And you can see blueberries in the background. Got some collard greens, some snapdragon, spinach, and the nasturtiums I planted kind of in between rows, so they'll grow better with a little more sun. And here's the Romanesco cauliflower we've been eating. That's really delicious. And the yellow squash is growing well on the whale mound. So things are going well in the fairy garden, happy to say. And just feel so happy when I'm here, when I'm eating the food. Just feel the great blessing of the fairy realms, and that they're always here and always with me, and helping to create this beauty and magic, food and medicine for all of us. So thank you for being part of this journey with this garden. I encourage you to check in with the fairies in your garden, spend time with them, ask them what they want and need. Sing to them, play with them, smell the flowers, slow down. There's a lot going on. The more we can go within and honor ourselves, the magic, and even reflect. You can see the reflections in the water here. Reflect on our own journeys to this point. This is a big closing of the old point and opening to the new. A lot of shadow work these next 6 months, so gardens are magical healing places. So enjoy your garden and enjoy this garden. And I send everyone lovely medicine. I will end with the medicine of the California poppy, because this medicine reminds us to see the gifts, the beauty that we hold, the treasures, the precious treasures that are within. And sometimes we reflect those onto others and see them as having more, or being more beautiful, or having more gifts. And really what you're seeing is an aspect of yourself. So claim that aspect, claim your beauty, claim your treasures, claim all of your power and your magic. Every time you see someone of great beauty and magic, just bring that back in. Remind yourself, I'm seeing me. It's all a reflection. So enjoy your reflection and deepen into that beauty that you are. With love, Camilla.